Welcome to today's episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. You noticed I had a picture of a sink showing. Well, today we're going to talk about sinks. Yes, sinks. They have become a great option and very popular part of kitchens today. They can give you that extra wow factor or dash of style to your kitchen. There are three different types of techniques for installation. The first is the undermount sink. Easy to keep clean around the top of your sink because it's mounted underneath. The next type is the drop-in sink or top mount sink. Now, those look nice. They're less expensive to install. There is a lip that goes around, however, where your sink is, and sometimes that collects dirt and grime. So that's the consideration. The last option would be an apron sink or farmhouse style sink. On those, the whole front of your sink is exposed. It looks really nice. They come with a single or double bowl, and you don't have that countertop on the front of it. Very stylish and functional. They are heavy and more expensive to install. Now let's look at the types of materials that are available for your sinks. Stainless steel has been around for a long time. It's inexpensive. It offers great stain and heat resistance. They're easy and light to install. Now, they do scratch and dent easier, and sometimes they're prone to water spots. Another option would be a cast iron sink. They're heavy, but very durable. The coating can wear away if you use abrasive cleaners, and it can be prone to etching or chipping. The average cast iron sink weighs about 100 pounds, so if you're going to do an undermount with those, you're going to need extra support and bracing. The third option would be a granite or quartz composite. Composite sinks are made of crushed granite and quartz, and you add a resin filler to it, which makes it a composite. They're tough and resistant to stains and scratching, and they come in matte finishes in different colors choices. The last option would be a copper sink. Now, a copper sink is a great choice if you're looking for your sink to stand out or looking for a real wow factor in your kitchen. Usually, they're used in a more rustic design. However, if you're just looking, for that great wow factor, it may be something you want to consider. They're a little more pricey to install, and you will want to make sure that it's a heavier or thicker copper so that it won't be dented or damaged by your heavy pots in the sink. Copper sinks are usually handmade and can offer a lot of wonderful details and wow factors to your kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Ask Annie. If you did, please like and share our episode with others. Leave some comments in the comment section for me today. And if you have something else you'd like to hear us discuss, please make sure and leave it in that comment section. I'm Annie Good, and I look forward to providing value and insight into your remodeling projects. Bye.